How to create product summary presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create business product summary on PowerPoint. Easy. So first thing, go to PowerPoint. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top here and click on presentations. After you click on presentations, it will take you to this page. Now go here on category and choose business. Now after you click on business, search for the product summary here, and if you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Now click on it like this and click create. Now after you click create, it will take you to this page, and here you can change and edit everything you want and move anything. You can change the text, you can change everything as I said. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.